Hi, welcome to Colleen's Diamond Painting, and today I have an unbagging from Diamond Painting Petunia, and you can find her on Etsy. Her packages always come specially wrapped and gift paper. Usually it's purple. This one we got some flames, a little computer guy, drum set I think, little miss somebody with some latte drinks. It's kind of cute. So I already got it open a little bit, and let me take out the painting that I ordered. I highly recommend her shop. Like I said, she's on Etsy, Diamond Painting Petunia, DP Petunia, and this is a thumbnail of what I got. It is two little birds and an angel. It is a double-sided adhesive, but I feel safe opening this one because I've gotten double-sided adhesives from her before and literally have never had a problem. So let me open this up. $30 by $30, there's the image again. It comes with how many diamonds are in each bag, the DMC number, and the symbols. Let me see if I can flatten this out a little bit before I open it. What I like about her canvases is that, or ordering from her, is that her diamonds come in baggies, and I usually just paint straight from the baggies and I don't kit up. So there's a toolkit that has a tray, some tweezers, some wax, a pink squishy, a pink pen, and a multi-placer which looks like a 5-placer. And let me open this painting and then we'll go through the colors. So as you can see, it's an angel with the two birds. Let me turn off the light to see if there's a little less glare. There's less glare, but it's a little darker. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to turn the light back on so that we can see the colors of the drills. I was really excited when I got this in the mail yesterday. I rushed down to the mailbox. Let's see how I open this here. Okay, here it is. The drills are in order too, so I'm going to try to keep them in order as I take them out. Looks like there's a lot of pretty colors in this one. I'm not going to keep them in order, I don't think. Unless I can be real careful right there. Okay, I think I got it. So it starts with 154, which is a purple color. Then we have 159, which is a gray color. Then we have our black 310s. We have our 318 gray. We have 472, which is kind of like a pea green. We have 517, which is a real pretty blue color. We have 720, which is an orange. We have 738, which is like a beige. We have 742, which I like. It's a pretty orange color. 743, which is pretty similar. A little lighter. We have 762, which is a gray. We have 779, which is a brown. We have plenty of 798, which is a real pretty blue. That must be the background. We have 817, which is a red. We have 823, which is a dark blue. 824, also quite a few of these. I'm assuming it's the background. 826, also quite a few, background. We have 842, which is a beige. We have 919, which is like a reddish brown. We have 745, which is a beige. We have 766, which is a light green. We have 976, which is an orange, like a burnt orange. We have 977, which is also like a burnt orange. We have 3031, which is a brown. We have 3752, which is a pretty blue. Lots of blues in this one. We have 3753, which is a light blue. We have 3760, which is a blue, like a true blue. We have 3853, which is an orange. We have 3863, which is a brown. And our last color, we have 3865, which is a white. And so I hope you enjoyed this video and the painting today. And I would highly suggest checking out her shop on Etsy. I'm sure I've never had a painting where I had any problems with, and that's saying a lot. Let me just show you the thumbnail one more time. The angel and the birds. And I'll peel back the cover one more time. The angel with the birds. And let me see if you can see the drill field there. It is real clear. They are mostly letters and symbols, a couple numbers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please consider hitting the like button. If you'd like to become part of Colleen's Diamond Painting family, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to help me grow my followers, please hit the share button. Have a great day, and as always, make it count.